Hey guys, Eric here. Today we're going to show you how to create a landing page using Wix. So I'm all about keeping it simple, and somebody had asked me how to create a landing page. We're just going to keep it to the minimum here. I'm going to show you a few of the steps. It's very easy to do. You can do this for free. Wix does have their own landing pages you can use as templates. But keep in mind down the road, if you're thinking about using sites for SEO purposes, I would go with WordPress. However, because one of the emails I had gotten was about Wix, I said, okay, I'll put one together real quick here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create your account with Wix. Once you're inside, you're just going to go to Create New Site. All right, now what you're going to do is what kind of website do you want to create? We're interested in landing pages, so what we're going to do is actually go to Other. Once you get to this page here, create your website with the Wix editor. We're just going to do this here and choose a template. Now it's been a while since I've been on the inside here, but there used to be on the left-hand side the option to create the landing page. So what I did was I just went ahead and I did a search here, landing pages, and you'll see that all these are free templates that you can use. I want to quickly mention though, you will notice in some of these it says coming soon. And if you're wondering why somebody would have coming soon, especially for a landing page, and you don't know, well, this is maybe for those who need a temporary home page. Basically just telling your visitors the site's under construction, it's coming soon. So it's just a temporary thing. So let's go ahead and pick a landing page here as an example. This one, we're just going to go to view so you can see what it looks like first. So you can edit or you can view it first. We're going to view it first. And this is really very simple. Gets right to the point. There's your email right there that they want to, you want to capture the email. What you'll notice in the top part here, the feature, you could do it as in a responsive or mobile. You can see how it looks now on a mobile device. Let's go back to PC. We can change the background. So if you want to change the background, let's go to edit this site. And this is where you're going to be doing all the work on the inside. So let's head to background. I want to change up the background. You could change it up to anything. Maybe you're feeling the bananas here. So again, it just depends what you want to use. Go back to background. You've got a variety here that you can use. Always remember that you can do more than you can do the same thing more than one way. So let's say, for instance, and that's pretty busy. I'm going to mention as well, just a quick tip. Make sure your landing page isn't too busy. That means that the image is not overpowering the text. Let's go back to image here. And what I want to focus on is I'm creating a landing page specifically for capturing emails for an ebook that I'm giving out. I'm actually in the hair business, so just as an example, let's just put hair just to do a search. And you can see all these different pictures that pop up. And again, I'm all about keeping it simple. I don't want it to be too busy. See, if I took a picture like this right here, to me that's too busy. All right, so I'm picking the first one here just to show you how this looks. All right, so now this looks good, but I want you to consider too that you can change things still while you're on the inside. So if you want to move stuff around, so we've already got these sort of built-in text here. Let's change this up. I'm going to move this to the left still as well. Let's go ahead and write something in here. Build your online business today. And again, I can move that over. I could change the size. Okay, I don't want to keep it too big. Right around there is good. Okay, so here we're going to put powerful insider secrets. Okay, so that's part of the heading there. Let's see. Okay, so now Okay, so I lost this one here, and you can always add. Let's add this here, another heading. And we're going to put that right below. And we're going to have that say, crush it today. Now, keep in mind you can change size of the font. And as mentioned before, you can change the elements. If you want to put them in another spot, you can change them. I can take this, I can bring it wherever I want. Just think about how it looks. And let's bring this over here. And I want to see what it looks like right now on a mobile device. So I'm going to switch to mobile. And there you go. It's not bad, but you can see that it's white. The text is white here. It's hard to see, so I'm going to have to go back and change that. Back to desktop. So you can see by default it looks like a dark purple, which complements us here. Let's go ahead and change that now to the same color, but we could probably bold that, right? Let's bold it. There we go. Now let's take a look at it on a mobile device. It looks better, but it's still kind of hard to see some of this here, right? Now keep in mind, you can change some of this here too. Okay, let's just show you what this looks like. Maybe you want to change the font size. So you do have that option. You can change it from here as well. Okay, so this isn't perfect, but this just gives you sort of a rough idea of what you can do. Again, you can change fonts. You can change the color of the fonts. You can change this, even this, what would be like a submit button, right? So if you want to change the text there, and we want people to claim their ebook, so what we're going to do is, I'll show you this design here. You can design it and make it look different ways, right? You can do that. So you can customize it as well. I really like I like this one here. There we go. And we want to keep this all the same here. Thanks for submitting. Instead of notify me, I want to change the text there. Okay, so what is displayed on the submit button? Let's go ahead and have it say in your ebook here. All right, so we're just making it pretty simple here. We're just going to keep that claim your ebook here, Powerful Insider Secrets, crush it today, and that's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to publish it. Now it says that your site is live. You can view the site. And here's what it'll look like to someone. So it does look professional. It looks nice. It gets right to the point. There's your landing page, sort of in a nutshell, keeping it real simple. All right, so I'm going to show you how now real quickly here that once they want to claim their ebook there and put their email in and submit it, their email, basically it's going to take them directly to the offer. We're going to go to Get Subscribers Form, or I'm sorry, Form Settings, and then we're going to go to Submit Message. When visitors submit a form, you're going to go to the link to external URL. At least in this case here, what I'm doing is I'm linking it to my actual Google Drive where they can get the free ebook. So I'll choose the link right there. Paste it. And that's it. So again, it's just going directly to my drive. We're going to save this. We're actually going to publish. Done. And again, this just shows you how to make, again, a quick landing page, keeping it real simple. You're just capturing emails, and that's all I'm interested in. So this is just merely a really simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.